Hey guys, this is my homework. Now I review linking and ending sound. Plate, plate, cleaned, cleaned, clothed, clothed, filled, filled, stayed, stayed. I played football, danced, 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 walked, 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 brushed, brushed, pushed, pushed, watched, watched. She walked away. She walked away. Waited, waited. Painted, painted. Wanted, wanted. Landed, landed. Shouted, shouted, shouted. She painted the world. Doors, doors, bees. Animals, animals. Things, things. I love dogs. I love dogs. Horses, horses. Dishes, dishes. Surprises, surprise, surprises. Boxes, boxes. Open boxes. Cats, cats. Sprouts, sprouts. Snakes, snakes. Stamps, stamps. Lovely cats. Cat, lovely cats. Next, linking sound. Linking sounds. Yeah. Make up, make up. Break up, break up. Chicken, chicken. Do it, do it. Go away, go away. Do why. Black cat, black cat. 1, 2, 1, 2. Dead duck, dead duck. And what's your name? What's your name? Considerate, considerate, considerate. Yes, thank you.